So this video is going to cover some information about differential rate law concepts. And for each rate law below, we're going to determine the overall order of the reaction. And then I also added a column where we're going to figure out the unit for K for that reaction. So if you look at this first example here, for this reaction, the rate is equal to K, that's a constant, times the concentration of X. That's one of the things in the reaction. So the rate depends on that constant times the concentration of just one thing. This is a first order reaction because the rate depends on just the concentration of that one thing. If you look at the second one though, we have rate equals K times X squared. Now this time, because we have X squared, this is a second order reaction. Because it's not just X, it's X times X, right? Because this could be written, rate equals K times the concentration of X times the concentration of X, it's X squared. So that's a second order reaction. For the third one, we have rate equals concentration of X times concentration of A. So we have two different substances here multiplied together. This is a second order reaction because the rate depends on both of these. Now, if we were talking about the order of the reaction with just in respect to concentration of X, that would be first order. With respect to A, it would be first order. Overall would be second order. And for the last one, the rate equals K, it equals a constant. That means the rate does not depend on the concentration of the substance. And this is a zero order reaction. So let's go over the units for each of these reactions, the units for K. So in a first order reaction, the unit for K is inverse second, or second to the negative 1. That's for first order reactions. For second order reactions, the unit for K is molarity to the negative 1, second to the negative 1. Same for this other second order reaction, M to the negative 1, S to the negative 1. And then finally, the units for K in a zero order reaction are molarity per second. So this will help you as you answer the rest of the problems in this section to see how we get the order of the reaction and the unit for K for different orders of reactions.